Hi, Mama. That's a good mama. Good mama. You're a good girl. Good mama. Mama has sharp claws. Hi, Mama. You have some more. Here. You can have some more. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It won't hurt you. Good girl. You're a good girl. Good mama. I'm so glad you're letting me touch you. It's so nice. You could have come in the house and lived with us. That's a good girl. Good mama. You're gonna go have some kittens soon, eh? You're gonna go have some kittens pretty soon, hey? Good girl. You're a good mama. You can have more. You sound good. Hi. Don't have to be growly. Hello. How are you? Hi. Hi, how are you? You like to play? Would you like to play? I'll play with you. See? I'll play with you. Come on. Come on. There's nice colors too. I call this one beautiful. Hi, beautiful. Would you like to play some more? I thought so. Such beautiful. So beautiful. You're beautiful. You're so beautiful. Such a beautiful colors. Oh yeah, and such racing stripes. Orange and brown. Just beautiful. You're beautiful. Come on, let's play. I won't hurt you. No. I won't hurt you. No. Come and play. Come and play with me. You could be my friend. I can cuddle you and stuff if you get used to me. You'd like that. Even Mama Cat likes that. She didn't know what it was about. I've picked you up before anyways. Hi. Come and play. Come and play. Come on. We can play. I like to play with you. I don't know where Junior went, but you're going to have to be my new friend from the looks of it. If I can make you my friend. You're so beautiful. Oh, you're just beautiful. You're so beautiful. You are. Oh, yes, you are. You're funny. It's okay. I'm not coming to get you. Just sitting down. Oh. Just getting sore, that's all. This isn't my usual YouTube format, but it's going to have to do because that's what I've got handy. Hello. Come on, beautiful. Come on, let's play. She doesn't like me talking. Hi. You're going to have to get used to me talking around you. Hey, would you like to play some more? Come on and play. Come on and play. Hi. How are you? Someone behind me. Hi, you're beautiful. Come play with me. Come on over here. Can I pet you? Can I touch? Can I touch? One day you can touch, eh? You'll like that. I'd like to cuddle you. You're very pretty. I don't know if it's male or female. I couldn't tell you. I think it's a female. We haven't been able to catch them very much. And the last time I caught one, I got cut. But I think I've had this one before. And it might be open to being picked up again after a little bit more playing like tonight. It's starting to get a little bit more friendly. Hi. Hi, Mama. Hello, Mama. Come on, say hello. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Are you okay? Did you burp? Hi, beautiful. Come on, play with me. I'll be friends with you. You're beautiful. Come on. Come on, be friends. Come and be friends with me. Yeah. Come and be friends with me. I know this isn't my normal scrounging video. This is a cat video. But I know I have some subscribers that like cats. And I like this cat. I'm having fun right now. I'm trying to become friends with it. And this is how I'm doing it. I can't be catching them and keeping them. I just don't have the time available. And we're going to get another cat this weekend. We were all really sad when Stripes got hit by the car. It's hard to talk about Stripes. He was my buddy. But I knew it could happen, and it did happen, and that sucks, but there's not much I can do about it. Hi, Mama. Momma cat. This is her kitten. Stripes was her kitten too. I can't believe she let me pet her so much, and I'm glad she's hanging around again. I think the guy that owns the house next door kicked her or something for about 3 weeks, right around when Stripes got killed. She was walking really funny, and looked like she was in pain, and she wouldn't let us near her. But now she's coming around near us, and she's walking good, which is good, because she's very pregnant. Yeah. Boy, if I ever catch someone hurting my cats, they will not enjoy themselves. Even though they live outside, I consider them to be mine. And this one is beautiful. That's its name, Beautiful. Hey, Beautiful. That's your name, Beautiful. You're beautiful. Come and play. Come on over here. Come on, you can get closer. I won't hurt you. You can come closer. Come on. Come on. We've been playing for a while, and you should be good. Come on. It's okay. What if I did this? Here. It's for you. Look. Here. Now let's play again. Come on. Come on. There you are. See, I just put it over there where you could get it. I know you were eating. It's okay, you can have some. This is going to take some time. I don't do very many videos playing with the cats nowadays. But I like this cat. I really do. It's beautiful. And it seems to have a good disposition. And it's getting more used to me. So that's good. Is that good, eh? That's very good, eh? Thank you for playing.